Okay guys, here's the break. Got Pinnacle here, Contenders here. I'm gonna open the Pinnacle first. Here we go, empty box. Pack number 1. Base, 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 base. First hit would go to the Minnesota North Stars, so it'll be the Minnesota Wild now. Willie Plett, I think that's his name. Tough times. Base, 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 and base. This will be done in 2 separate videos. Base, 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 base. Next hit, saving face for the Minnesota Wild, Jose Theodore, Minnesota. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 base. Full base pack. This one feels pretty thick. Could be a spacer. I'm not sure. We have for the Boston Bruins, Jordan Caron, Icebreakers for Boston. These Icebreakers are actually classified as the rookies. And a spacer. And the rest base. Well, looks like another base pack. For the Nashville Predators, Pecorine. And another base pack. I'm going to double check that one. Yep, another base pack. Okay. Maybe there's something good here. I didn't want to open. Yeah. Nice spacer. Here we go for the Phoenix Coyotes. Mikhail Bodker, City Lights for Phoenix. Lot of base. Hoping this is hoping the other side's better than this. Okay, what do we have here? We have Artist Proof, Daniel Briere for the Philadelphia Flyers. Artist Proof. It's down here in the corner somewhere, so you can see it. I might be able to get both of these boxes on this one video. Next hit is for, I believe this, I'll have to check the back here. This goes to Atlanta, so that would be Winnipeg. Patrice Cormier. A spacer. Next hit for the Vancouver Canucks. Chemistry on canvas. Daniel Sedin, Henrik Sedin for Vancouver. Base pack. Another base pack. Okay, for the Philadelphia Flyers, Sergei Bobrovsky, Icebreaker. Spacer. A lot of base packs. That's why I did this one first. Get it out of the way. Nice hit. For the Edmonton Oilers, Alice Hemsky. It's for Edmonton. Base. If you see some little fingers, that's my little guy. Just moving cards and taking plastic. And another base pack. Spacer. And a base pack. For the Colorado Avalanche, Peter Mueller. Threads. Colorado. Next hit, Icebreaker, Nathan Lawson for the Islanders. And for the last pack on this, and then I'll just go right into the Contenders. Get some better stuff there, I hope. As I said, price was cheap, but here we go. This is for the St. Louis Blues, Jaroslav Halak, St. Louis. Get it up here, you guys can see that. Looks like a glare from the way I'm looking at it, but I'm also side 2, so select. That's for St. Louis. Spacer. And those are all base. Okay, I'm just going to go right into this one. Empty box. My little guy's not doing a very good job. He's leaving a pretty big mess of plastic on the table. Base, base. First hit right off the bat. We have out of 800, Alexi Emelin, Calder Contenders, autograph from Montreal. The spacer, base and base. Base, spacer, base and base. Okay, the next hit for the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Reimer out of 100. Very nice patch here. That's for Toronto. Nice card there. It's out of 100. That one went to Toronto. Spacer. I don't expect our hits are going to accumulate much now. Usually when you get one of those cards in a box, you don't get too much of anything else. I've done a few of these boxes. And we're getting a bunch of base packs. Next hit for the New York Islanders, Cup contender John Tavares. That's at a $9.99. Spacer. Spacer. Okay, next hit for the Minnesota Wild, Cody Allman, NHL Inc. autograph from Minnesota. Spacer. Spacer. Pretty sure there's at least one more autograph, I think, in this box. I don't think there are 4 autos come out yet. Next hit, again for the Islanders, Mark Katic, Calder Contenders at a $9.99 for the Islanders. Next hit for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron, Cup Contenders at a $9.99. Spacer. Spacer. Okay, 2 packs left. Spacer. And the last pack. And no, it was not an auto. We might have had our 4. I'm not sure. Calder Contender Ryan Thang for Nashville. It's at a $9.99. Spacer. Couple base. And there's 2 cards here. I think they might have just fell. Yes, a couple base. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll have the hit sent out tomorrow. And thanks again.